So there's a popular electrolyte product on the market, very popular and very famous, that has sweetener in it. And Cynthia wants to know, is this sweetener a problem when you're trying to get off sugar? Is it keep the sugar cravings alive? Is it addictive? And she mentioned that it has a non-flavored component or non-flavored brand, like there's a brand of it that's non-flavored. I would suggest the non-flavored. Electrolytes are hugely important when you're trying to get off sugar, okay? A lot of people just use salt, like a good sea salt or a good Himalayan salt, like they're not table salt, because table salt's different, and sometimes it has sugar in it. But magnesium you need, there's calcium, there's a lot of good electrolytes in that drink. Now, if you're going to, don't use the stuff that's sweetened, okay? Stevia, monk fruit, and that comes with this popular brand, okay? Don't use that because it keeps the cravings alive, right? It keeps the cravings for sugar alive. Your body is wired together, fired together, and it's thinking, look, I just got a sweet taste, but then your stomach receptors are saying, I didn't get any calories, okay? So I didn't get any of the real sugar, and it's looking for that calories, and it starts you to crave, okay? But the answer to your question, the electrolytes in that popular brand, it's an electrolyte powder that you put in water, okay? And either that or just a pinch of sea salt is fine for the electrolytes, okay? Especially need to supplement usually at the beginning with magnesium, okay? So that's important. And the second part of the question is equally important, which is the sweetener in these products, all products, and mostly you'll find them in flavored waters, and all, like these flavored waters, I think are a big, I should say, scam, because I won't mention any brand names because it might get us in trouble. But look, there is a way that people get around natural, there's companies, manufacturers get around the laws of having to put something on the ingredients list because it's less than 1 or 2%. If you listen to Dr. Michael Gorin from Sugar Proof, there's literally a product now that less than a teaspoon will make an entire bathtub more sweet than a soda, okay? That is a one strong product, and it very easily sneaks under the 1%. Like, I can mention a few of the names, but you all know them. They're very popular nowadays, okay? One has a French name, and then they have a couple that are, well, two of them actually have a French name. There's a couple that have, they've just blown up, exploded, okay? And the reason is because they taste so sweet. And again, the same concept applies, all right? Your body is getting a sweet taste, your brain registers it, wired together, fired together, but your stomach receptors don't get calories, and it keeps the cravings alive. Our job in sugar detox and staying off sugar is to just like reduce the sweet. Carrots will taste sweet, peppers will taste sweet, macadamia nuts will taste like candy. You want to reduce the sweet and your taste buds will change.